It's Crossing the Line by Angus Maciver. Today I will demonstrate Chapter 16, The Origin of Our Numbers. For more details on the chapter and for online classes, please comment below or WhatsApp the show number on the thumbnail. In this chapter, there are no questions on the story or interesting facts or development exercises. Therefore, I will read the chapter for you. Let's get started. Chapter 16. The origin of our numbers. In very early times, people used sticks to represent numbers. For example, you can see it you can see it demonstrated like this. When writing was introduced, strokes were used instead of sticks. And with quick writing, one was apt to make curved lines instead of straight. Thus, the above became like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numerals which we inherited from the Arabs have been called the Arabic system, although the figures were invented not in Arabia, but in India. They were not of much use until the Arabs introduced the zero and made possible a place value in figures. As the first system to use numbers exactly as we use them nowadays, consisted of numbers drawn on boards covered with sand. It was called the gobar or dust system. The Romans used letters of the alphabet for numbers, and their system was probably based on the numbers of human figures, as you can see in the picture here. C, representing 100, is the initial letter of centum. The sign was originally like a square, and half of a rectangle, like this, became an L, which is used to represent 50. D, used for 500, is half of this particular sign, which is called the M, the initial letter of mile or 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. 10 is represented by X, and 50 is represented by L. 100 centum is represented by C, 500 represented by D, and 1,000 represented by M. That is the end of today's lesson. See you with another exciting chapter, that is chapter number 17. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Bye for now.
DJ Academy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.